Welcome! This training video will cover HokieServ or AIM navigation related to the University Space Inventory. HokieServ is the system of record for university space data and serves as the data source for space and property data reporting, Ready Request, and the Space Inventory website. In the next few minutes, we will cover how to navigate the Space View dashboard along with the property and location modules. We will walk through how to access detailed building and room information as well as space data reports. Once logged into HokieServ, those with the Space Ambassador role access will see the Space View dashboard as their default view. Those in other roles, such as facilities managers, may see a different default screen, and if so, click on the top right drop-down to choose the Space View dashboard. For additional information on Workdesk training and navigation, please also see the Workdesk training video. Here, the Space View provides information on the overall space inventory. This includes building, structure, and location or room information. Let's click on Active Buildings and Structures for an overview of the Property module. Here you see the list of buildings and structures. Let's click on Lane Hall and review the property profile. The property profile provides property-specific information. Here we see Lane Hall is located in Montgomery County and on main campus, along with the property address, property type, and property class. To the left, under View, we can find additional information. The extra description may include historical or renovation information. Floors provide the number of floors in the building and the gross square footage of each floor. The square footage information provides gross square footage of the building. On the left, the gross square footage is the official square footage provided by the architectural and engineering drawings. To the right, we have the square footage associated with the property's AutoCAD drawing or floor plan. On the right, property gross is the sum of all floors' square footage as calculated from the exterior walls in. Location gross is the sum of all polylined, assignable, and non-assignable space. Assignable space is area assigned to or available for assignment to an occupant for specific use. Examples of assignable space are classrooms, offices, and labs. Non-assignable space refers to space that is not available for assignment to an occupant for a specific use, but is space necessary for the operation of the building. Examples of non-assignable space in a building are stairs, corridors, restrooms, elevators, and utility and mechanical areas. Under General Information, you will find information such as the year the building was built. Financial information indicates if the building is owned or leased. Under User-Defined Fields, we can find commemorative name information for the building abbreviation, and if the building is a major building on main campus. Last, on the property profile, under the Maroon Location tab, you will find the building's room list. Let's choose a room from the room list and review the room details. Here we see room 111 in Lane Hall, which is an office. Let's review the room details or room attributes. We have the floor the room is located on, the space assignment, which we see this office is assigned to the College of Liberal Arts, the room's primary usage, the room's primary type or FICM code from the Facilities Inventory and Classification Manual, the space type of assignable versus non-assignable, the room square footage, and the room capacity, which is the total number of workstations or seats. To the left, under Action and Organization Occupancy, we find the organizational occupancy information, which is the senior management area or college, department, and org of those occupying the room. Under user-defined fields, we can find additional information such as the room function, the HokieServ program code, and accessibility. Under related documents, you may find a photo of the room if available. Now we'll return to the AIM work desk and the Space View dashboard. You may also click in the search bar of the property profile and type the building name or the building number to search for the property. Lastly, let's visit the reports list to find space data related reports. Click on the Reports tab to the left. Here you will scroll down and find the Space Data Report and additionally the NASF by Senior Management Area Report. Let's click on the Space Data Report. Choose the report parameters and click OK. Your BERT report will display. Click Export to report to an Excel file. Now we have our working Excel file. This report compiles room attributes, assignment, and occupancy data. This report is useful for reference when reviewing room information and when working in the Ready Space system, our online tool for updating room information in the space inventory. You may also find the Ready Floor Plan tool helpful as well. For additional information on these tools, please see our other training tutorials. You can repeat the same steps we just covered to find the Space Data Report to select the NASF or Net Assignable Square Foot by Senior Management Area report. This report provides net assignable square footage by building within a senior management area. This concludes the overview of HokieServ space data. The information in this tutorial, along with building floor plans and the Ready Single Room Update tool, will give you all the tools necessary to access space data information in the University Space Inventory. Please note, definitions for data points and attributes can be found in the PDF Space Data Guide. For further assistance with HokieServ and space-related information, please contact Facilities Analytics or the Office of Space Management.